Welcome to Joysource. I'm Michael, founder and CEO of the company. Today, I'd like to show you how we make customized furniture here. Follow me, I'll show you my factory. We operate 2 factories with a total workshop area of 40,000 square meters. Our team of about 220 people supports design, production, quality control, packing, and export service. The first step is digital cutting. Our CNC electronic cutting machine uses automatic loading and optimization software. This enables rapid automated processing. It helps reduce material waste and keeps each panel accurate from the beginning. This high-precision baseline ensures maximum efficiency across downstream manufacturing operations. Next comes 6-sided drilling. Compared with traditional row drilling, it gives us much better control over accuracy and repeat positioning. The tolerance can be kept within plus or minus 0.1 millimeters. Before shipment, every product goes through cleaning, inspection, and packaging. The packaging system cuts pattern to fit product size, which helps protect furniture during international transport. Smart sealing and automated labeling ensure every crate is ready for dispatch. Between each production step, the robot arm reads the barcode on each panel, then moves and stacks it independently. This data-driven routing establishes a highly synchronized connection. This connects the whole production flow with less manual handling. This drastically reduces the risk of defect. It also gives better protection to the panel surface because the board do not need to be dragged, lifted, or moved by hand again and again. Next, panels enter the automatic short cycle hot press lamination line. The heavy-duty hydraulic press utilizes precise high-temperature engineering to fuse decorative surfaces instantly. The entire positioning and transfer process operates with unmanned precision. Output boards are immediately received by the star-shaped cooling rack, which rotates and dissipates heat uniformly to guarantee perfect structural flatness. Every month, we can ship more than 100 high-cube 40-foot containers. But for us, capacity only matters when quality is uncompromising. Driven by our supply chain, we deliver high-standard custom solutions globally from our core base in Shandong, China. With 10+ years of global expertise, our premium products and engineering serve over 50 countries. Our exceptional craftsmanship elevates luxury private residences in Dubai's Burj Khalifa and extends to premium villa projects across Australia. We continue to redefine urban living with our latest premium interior design solutions for high-end apartments in Irvine, California. Meanwhile, our key showrooms in Cambodia, Malaysia, and Indonesia stand as premier benchmarks for our localized service and delivery. We have also worked with international partners such as IKEA, Ashley, Hilton, Marriott, and Danube. Thank you for visiting Joysource. We look forward to working with you.